Riley, I want to show you my home in the forest.
Really? That sounds amazing!
Let's go! I love new places. Follow me, it's this way.
I'm right behind you. Wow, this forest feels magical. Look at all these trees. Stay close, there are many secrets here. Wait, did you hear that? I think something is there.
Don't worry, it's just the forest talking.
Whoa, look at all the lights. They're glowing. These are fireflies. They light up the night. This is the most magical place ever. I'll show you more secrets next time. Come back for more adventures. Hey, do you want to know what happens next in the forest?
And what that mysterious sound really is? There are many secrets waiting.
Subscribe and like to find out what happens next.